As a small business owner, keeping a close eye on your finances is crucial. This is where accounting software like Kashoo can be a game changer, simplifying tasks like invoicing, expense tracking, and generating financial reports. One of the first questions that pops up when considering such software is, how much does it cost? Let's break down Kashoo's pricing in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're not an accounting whiz. Kashoo's pricing structure, keeping it straightforward. Kashoo offers a straightforward pricing model, which is great for small businesses that prefer simplicity. As of late 2024 and early 2025, Kashoo primarily offers two main subscription options. Truly Small Accounting. This plan is designed for smaller or growing businesses with more basic accounting needs. It's typically priced at around $216 per year. This can work out to a more affordable monthly cost if you pay annually. This plan often includes automated accounting features to simplify your workflow. Kashoo Advanced Plan. This option is geared towards established businesses that might need more customization and account organization. The annual cost for this plan is usually around $324 per year, which translates to a slightly higher monthly equivalent. This advanced plan often includes features like inventory management and the ability to add multiple users. It's important to note that these prices are generally for an annual subscription. Kashoo might also offer a monthly subscription option, which could be slightly more expensive on a month-to-month basis but provides more flexibility. They also frequently offer a free trial period, often 14 days, allowing you to test out the software and see if it fits your business needs before committing to a paid plan. What's included in Kashoo's pricing? One of the appealing aspects of Kashoo is its inclusive approach to features. Generally, both the Truly Small and the Advanced Kashoo plans include unlimited transactions. You don't have to worry about being capped on the number of invoices, expenses, or other financial entries you make. Unlimited users. This is a significant benefit, as many accounting software providers charge per user. With Kashoo, you can give access to your team members or your accountant without incurring extra costs. Unlimited project tracking. If your business involves project-based work, you can track the income and expenses associated with each project. Bank reconciliation. Connecting your bank accounts allows for automatic importing and matching of transactions, simplifying the often tedious task of bank reconciliation. Invoicing. You can create and send professional-looking invoices, often with customizable templates and the option to include your company logo. Many plans also allow you to accept online payments through integrations with services like Stripe and PayPal. Expense tracking. Easily record and categorize your business expenses, often with the ability to upload photos of receipts via a mobile app. Financial reporting. Generate essential financial reports like income statements, profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to understand your business's financial health. Customer support. Kashoo typically offers comprehensive customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and sometimes live chat, along with helpful articles and video tutorials. No long-term contract. This provides flexibility, as you can usually cancel your subscription at any time without penalties. Money-back guarantee. This further reduces the risk of trying out the software. The more advanced Kashoo plan might also include features like more in-depth reporting, greater customization options, and potentially inventory management capabilities. Considering the value, what do you get for the cost? When evaluating the cost of Kashoo, it's essential to consider the value it brings to your business. Think about the time you currently spend on manual bookkeeping tasks, creating invoices, and chasing payments. Kashoo can automate many of these processes, potentially saving you significant time and reducing the risk of errors. Furthermore, having a clear overview of your financial situation through real-time reporting can empower you to make better business decisions. Features like unlimited users and project tracking can be particularly valuable for growing businesses or those with specific operational needs. Comparing Kashoo to alternatives. While Kashoo offers a compelling package, it's always wise to compare it with other accounting software options available for small businesses. Some popular alternatives include QuickBooks Online, offers various plans with different features and pricing tiers, often starting at a lower monthly cost for very basic plans, but can become more expensive as you need more features or users. Xero, known for its user-friendly interface and integrations. Xero also has different subscription levels with varying limitations on invoices and bills. FreshBooks, primarily designed for service-based businesses. FreshBooks pricing often depends on the number of clients you bill. When comparing, consider not just the price but also the features you need, the number of users, the ease of use, and the quality of customer support. Some alternatives might offer more integrations with other business tools, while others might have more advanced features in specific areas like inventory management. The benefits of cloud-based accounting software. Kashoo is a cloud-based accounting solution, which offers several advantages for small businesses. Accessibility. You can access your financial data from anywhere with an internet connection, on any device. This is particularly useful for business owners who are often on the go or have remote teams. Real-time data. Cloud software typically updates your financial information in real time, giving you an accurate and up-to-date view of your business's performance. Collaboration. It's easier to collaborate with your team, bookkeepers, or accountants as multiple users can access the same data simultaneously, depending on their assigned roles and permissions. Automatic updates. You don't need to worry about installing software updates. These are typically handled automatically by the provider. Data security. Reputable cloud accounting providers invest heavily in security measures to protect your financial data. Scalability. Cloud software can often scale with your business, allowing you to add or remove features and users as your needs evolve. Automation. Many cloud-based solutions offer automation of repetitive tasks like bank reconciliation and recurring invoices, saving you time and effort.